So the Jamaican national under-23 footballers are just about off and running in their quest for a place in the 2020 Olympics. And just for some context, no Jamaican team and no Caribbean team have ever qualified for the Olympics in football, mainly because, unlike in World Cup qualifying for the Olympics, there are only 2 spots allocated to CONCACAF. So Mexico and USA generally bully and dominate those 2 places. And the challenge we continue to face is that at 21 and 22 years old, Jamaican players will again be facing senior professionals, players who since coming up from the under-20s would have been better exposed and developed than the best of our players at the same age. Having said all that though, if ever there is a group of players with the quality to break that spell, it is this group. Not sure if the preparations were perfect, but with the likes of Jamal Topi, Tariq McGee, Lamar Walker, Nicky Daly, Kyle Butler, Duchesne Beckford, Kaheem Paris, Clifton Woodbine, Jordan Fletcher, Alex Marshall, Peter Lee Vassell, and even Leon Bailey is eligible for this team. Now, player for player, man for man, if Coach Donovan Duke gets all the players he wants and gets it right tactically, then Jamaica not only can, but should and will break the spell and qualify for the Olympics. Yes, it is. Fingers crossed. Yes. Go Duke, go Jamaica.